sound is that?
I don't know.
Some noise from outside.
Yes, maybe I should go and check.
Please do.
Yes, who is there?
Come in.
Come in. What?
Mom.
Yes.
Mom, it's Vicky's boyfriend. He came with some policemen to arrest her.
What?
Yes.
That useless man? What has my daughter done to him?
Mom, he said that Vicky had a hand in the mistress kidnap.
He's kidnapped?
Yes, Daddy.
Is he mad?
I don't know.
Who allowed him into the compound?
Daddy, when I went out, I saw all of them coming in. I had to quickly rush to come and tell you people, Daddy, please do something. I don't want them to take my sister away. Please do something.
There's no one here. Guys, where's my daughter?
The police has taken her away.
What? They went away with my daughter?
Why? Why did you allow them to take my sister?
I'm sorry, my princess.
You're sorry, my foot!
Your Majesty. Kneel down right now, you both. Fools. Idiots. Fools. You both are going to remain here until I say otherwise. Fools. Idiots. Vagabonds. Good for nothing. Nonsense. Your Majesty. Yes, Your Majesty.
Yes, of course.
Where did you go to?
I heard some noise outside, so I decided to go and check.
You heard some noise and you went to check yourself? But you have the guards out there. It's past 2 a.m.
I know. It's okay. It's all right. I'm tired. I have to go sleep.
Are you okay?
I don't think so.
But come, I'll tell you something.
Okay, I'm listening.
Your Majesty, I'm ovulating. So, I want us to do something. This might be the opportunity we've been waiting for.
I don't have the strength right now. Maybe we should. Maybe tomorrow, okay?
Your Majesty, if we miss this opportunity, I don't know when. Please.
You just have to give me time.
Just try and small. Your Majesty, this might be the time for us to get what we're looking for. Let's not miss this opportunity, please.
I know. But you just really need to give me the time for the strength.
Just a little.
It's okay. It's okay. All right. I need to sleep right now. Tomorrow. It's okay. I have to sleep now. I'll make it up to you.
Chiderano dego, okurano pugo, oye chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebudaya. Chiderano dego, okurano pugo, oye chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebuda ya. To see what life gives.
My princess. Good afternoon.
Why are you vomiting?
I've not been feeling well lately.
Eh?
Yes, my princess.
Who is this? Yes, hello.
Tony, your girl is in our possession.
Who are you, please?
Never mind my identity. Do you really want her back?
Yes, I want her back. Please, release her for me.
Listen and listen very well. You are henceforth warned to stay away from her, else you will not like our next action.
Listen, but she's my woman. I can't stay away from her.
Shut up. Stay away from her, fool.
I can't stay away from my Lucy. I love her. I can't stay away from her. I will track this number that called me. Let me save it.
You said you wanted to tell me something. I'm here. Tell me.
No palm wine this night.
Not until you tell me.
I'll tell you.
Then I'm all ears.
I'm pregnant.
What?
Yes.
How did you know?
You know I've been feeling very feverish lately.
Okay.
And I stopped over to buy drugs at the chemist shop, and the nurse demanded that I go for a pregnancy test. And I did. She confirmed I was pregnant. What? Are you okay?
Yes. I'm fine. I'm just... My heart is full of joy.
Really?
Yes.
In 9 months, you'll be a father. I'll be a mother.
God. Oh my God. I'm happy.
Oh, I'm so happy.
I'm happy.
So the palm wine, can I have it now?
Of course, yes.
Princess Vicky is very lucky.
Very, very lucky. I was surprised when I saw her. I was very surprised.
The real kidnappers have been arrested by the police.
Yes, so... Thank God, though.
I'm telling you.
Eh? Why did they kidnap that lady?
The master planner is her boyfriend. He did that to stop her from seeing her boyfriend.
From seeing Vicky's boyfriend?
I'm telling you.
Hey, thank God for vindicating Vicky.
All their men, they're in the police custody.
Eh?
I'm telling you. Okay. I'll be observing your wife. Is she pregnant?
Excuse me. I don't understand. You've been observing my wife. How? No. So if my wife is working, you're looking at her bum bum?
No, it's not that. I'm just...
You're looking at somebody's wife's bum bum.
I'm sorry,
Then how did you know that she's pregnant?
Is she not pregnant? No.
Be careful.
Be
careful. Be careful.
I'm at once. Yeah,
Your Majesty, I've been observing Kate recently.
What about her?
I think she's pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yes.
How did you know?
Your Majesty, I'm a woman. I've seen some body changes. She looks weak these days. She's no more the energetic Kate I used to know. So I know she's pregnant.
Oh, you have to confirm it immediately.
Why? She's not my responsibility.
Okay, never mind. Never mind.
All right. I'll retire to my room now.
Okay.
Good night.
Good night.
Small, yeah? Step by step. Oh, no?
Hey!
Sorry, let's enter the car. Sorry. No. Please don't. Sorry. Alright, go to the front seat, go to the front. Sorry. Take it easy, take it easy.
Hey, Papa, no. Hey, hey, sorry. Hey, hello.
Open the gate.
So, where is she now?
The maidens have taken her to the car.
All right. Akpan, you have to remain at the duty post, okay?
Okay, Your Majesty.
Joy, you will follow them to the hospital.
Okay, Dad.
Okay, Your Majesty.
Okay.
Thank you.
You need to take proper care of her, all right?
Yes, I will.
All right, stay by her side all the time, okay?
Okay, Dad. I'll go now.
The gods be with you.
Say, Daddy.
God saw our land.
Chime cheta womo. Ome ma merempe o. Kambari begwa kene lolisa. Chime cheta womo. O cheta womo. Chime cheta womo. Ome ma merempe o. Kambari begwa kene lolisa. Chime cheta womo. O cheta womo. Chime cheta womo. Ome ma merempe o. Kambari begwa kene lolisa. Chime cheta womo. O cheta womo. Chime cheta womo.
Okay.
Hey! Uche Baba.
Why is this happy?
Uche Baba.
Yeah?
Uchenna.
Yeah, Baba.
Chime cheta womo. But your sister has put to bed.
Oh, I see.
She called me on phone. Uchenna. Chimu echetagum. My God has remembered me.
She called you on phone?
Yes.
Yeah, man. What
I am now a grandmother. And I am going to Mugo in Igwe's palace. Ifugia.
Mama, it's a very good thing. It's a very, very nice, nice development. God has remembered us. Mama, I get together. Omugo, here we come.
Uchenna kakunanka Inugo. You are not going with me. Inugo. Uchenna, you will stay back home. Take care of the house.
Mama,
No.
Mama, you're going to what? Mama, you're going to what, Kita? This beautiful moment now, I want to spoil it.
Uchenna, there is nothing like a twat now. Mba, or walk.
Mama.
If you go in a job,
Mama.
Mama.
You see that, Omugo? We are going there together. In fact, I will go there before you. I'm going to wash my clothes now. Mama, don't spoil this beautiful moment. I'm becoming an uncle.
Uncle. Uchenna. Uchenna. You will stay back.
You're going to what, Kita? Omugo, here I come. Let us all go in town. Now, can I just walk on?
Uchenna, don't worry. I will bring to you good goodies. Nka abrazin ke tuasin and the tuasin. Nka buteregi ya de mainugo. Hey, Jesus.
Your Majesty, good morning.
Oh, good morning, my friend.
Your Majesty, did you ask the guards to kill one of our goats?
Yes.
Oh. Why? I mean, what are we celebrating?
I'm just happy. Truly, I'm happy.
Honestly, I'm always happy when I see you in this mood.
Oh, thank you.
So, tell me, something must have triggered your mood. Can I share in the good news?
All right. Let me just confess.
Okay.
Nothing in particular. No, but then, what if I decide to celebrate the pleasure of having a wonderful queen like you in my kingdom? That's my wife, that's my queen. Isn't it?
Majesty.
No, isn't it? Worth celebrating?
Oh, Majesty.
Yeah.
I am so lucky to have a husband like you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for loving me so much.
I love you all the time.
I love you.
Even more I do.
All right then. Let me go and tell the guys to continue because I stopped them.
Oh, go ahead. Yeah.
All right. See you later.
My queen.
Hey.
I'm still wondering why Igwe is being so generous to me and my husband since the birth of our son, Akonia. I've not seen such generosity. I'm just wondering why.
Kate! Greetings, my princess.
Greetings and you are sitting down. Are you sick or something?
No, my princess. I'm sorry, my princess.
You're sorry? Oh, you now sit down to answer me. My princess. Huh? I can see. Because you gave birth to a boy. Now you think you are so big and mighty, right? Well, I have come to inform you that you resume duties tomorrow morning. My room should be the first place you clean tomorrow morning.
Yes, my princess.
Yes, my princess, indeed. Anyway, remind me that your son's name again.
Akunya, my princess.
Wait a minute. Can you repeat that again?
Akunya, my princess.
You know, get sense. You and your husband. Two of you are senseless. My father's wealth. Akunya. Because where is the wealth? No, where is the wealth?
It was that man that chose the name for my son.
How do I even have time standing here talking to a non-entity like you? Rubbish. Kunaya indeed.
I will kill you today. I will come. Oh yeah, come here. Come here. Kneel down here. Kneel down. I said kneel down. Open your hand. Open your hands. Jot. So this is what you what you this little thing like mother like daughter with your big eyes. You are looking at me. What? Open your hand. Open it. Open it. Very good. Oh come and see if you close your hand again. I will kill you. Open it. Open it. Open your down. You are your witch of a mother. I will kill the two of you. Come on, open your hand. Open your hand.
What has he done now? Stop.
Who called you into this matter?
Where's my boy?
Where's my boy? Father.
Mike.
Father.
Igwe.
Father. Hey. Father, I did not touch you. I did not touch you. I did not touch you. Father, please, don't do this. You see what you have cost, Abi? You see what you have cost.
Leave my son alone. Leave my son alone.
What happened to your majesty?
I don't know. This witch and her son. I don't know what they did to your father. I don't know what they did to him.
Go and get water. Your majesty. Let the boy be.
Chidera no dego, okura no pugo. Oye chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebudaya. Chidera no dego, okura no pugo. Oye chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebudaya. To see what life is.
Where are you hurrying to?
Did you know who called you?
No, he did not call me.
Only who called me and asked me to come quickly to his house, that something terrible is about to happen.
What?
Ha!
Did he tell you the reason?
He did not. In fact, he asked me to come quickly. So let us go. Let's go. Come with me. Let's go so we can find out. What?
Oye chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebudaya. Chidera no dego, okura no pugo. Oye chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebudaya. To see what life gives. Ijuwa odio miminesia.
Igwe.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
This meeting will be brief because of my health condition. Victoria.
Father.
Go and bring Kate and her children. Call up and two. Go now.
Okay, Father.
Chidera no dego, okura no pugo, oye chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebudaya. Chidera no dego, okura no pugo, oye chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebudaya. To see what life gives. Ijowa audio miminezia. Can you imagine what?
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, my elders.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, my elders.
I invited you. I have a story to tell. It's a 10-year-old secret.
Your Majesty, speak and tell me why you are here.
I am under pressure from my people to marry a second wife because I do not have an heir to the throne. But my wife and my children are against it. I really do need a male child. I actually need an heir to the throne. I don't want my throne to be vacant when I am gone. And so I thought out a plan. I want to use this man to achieve that aim. Yes. There's a lady that I want him to marry in my name. And I'll pay him 10 million naira for that. So why we're here is, I want him to swear to an oath of secrecy. It is only on the day that I am ready to reveal this to my people that I want that secret revealed.
Isi mmiri ampume ampume. Igwe zọba. Maka ikuku ọma na-eku. Ikuku kuo na du, kuo na. Young man.
Sir?
Are you ready to take the oath?
Yes, sir.
I repeat. Are you ready to take the oath?
Yes, uncle. Yes, sir.
Yo! Oge akara kerugon. Maka akpodogo isi. Akpodo ya n'isi. Akpodo ya n'ọdụ, akpodo ya n'etiti. Aka ya na mmiri, aka ya n'enu, kakwa ya n'enu aja. Ọ na-anụgo n'ihe okwu.
Now, repeat after me. From today.
Akpan.
Your Majesty.
Take. Those are sedatives, drug. Okay. I want you to know her favorite drink. Put it inside.
Okay.
When she falls asleep, then you call me on the phone. Then I'll come to your room. Do you understand?
Okay, my king.
I remember I promised you 10 million naira. I've not forgotten. But I'll give you the very day I will reveal the whole of this to my people. Is that clear?
Thank you, my king. Your Majesty.
I hope she's sleeping.
Yes. She has dozed off.
Okay. You can go now.
Your Majesty, what's your opinion about the issue of a second wife? Are you still going to do as the elders demanded?
I have decided to wait for the gods to answer my prayers through you.
Aww.
I'll wait.
Oh, thank you so much, my king. Thank you very much. I love you so much.
I love you too.
You see, bringing a second wife into our family is going to make things difficult. It's going to bring separation between you and your family.
Yeah, I know that.
Who is that? Come in.
It's me. Akpan.
Oh. Akpan, what is it?
Your Majesty, I want to see my king in private. But since you're busy, I might come back later.
Of course.
Wait.
Yes, Your Majesty. Your Majesty?
Please.
My king, Kate is pregnant.
That's some good news. You'll do something for me, okay? Take this. From now onward, I want her well taken care of. I want her to eat very well, okay?
Okay, Your Majesty.
All right.
I will do that.
You can go. Gods of our land, please let it be a mere child. Kate, the children of Kate are mine.
What? Your Majesty!
Kate here is my wife.
Take it, take it, take it. Yes.
Hey! Ha!
Yes.
Igwe, this is a great surprise to us, Your Majesty. Because we had lost hope.
Your Majesty, I am the happiest man on earth today. In fact, look, this kingdom is experiencing the joy at this peak today. Hey!
Your Majesty, this is a great surprise and also a good story to hear.
Yeah.
God!
Nonsense! Nonsense!
I cannot carry her alone.
Hey, I'm so heartbroken. I'm so heartbroken. My husband put me for all these years. I never knew that gets my cook. He's my husband's second wife. I guess children are my husband's children.
Mom, it's okay now. Do you want to cry yourself to death? It's okay. Because, just calm down. Mom, see, you see the fact that you're crying is even annoying me.
Yes.
Calm down. I've told you that this movie, it will not happen.
Never.
It will not happen. Now those cricket children, now once that to raise two of them, now join their head together, they don't die now. Mama, calm down. Nothing they sell there.
It will never happen. Mom, we'll chase those kids out of this palace. Those bastards, we'll chase them away or we kill them.
We'll go.
Mother, my sisters, please, let's not take it this way. I have come to realize what our father is trying to protect. I mean, he wouldn't have done it this way if we had given him our support.
Not we only realize, na fertilizer. Shebi na because say you rub pink eyeshadow, you can't wear red dress, now you don't confuse. You don't know what is wrong with you anymore. All the kids
Did I say anything?
It's anything. Better shut up now before I tear you back and slap.
If you don't shut your mouth, if you don't know what to say, just keep quiet.
Mom, I know how you feel. I know you're very, very hot. My sisters, I know you all are disappointed in Father. But please, we should just try to understand that whatever Father did, he did it for the interest of our land.
Keep quiet. If not that you're a married woman, we'll kill you here and even bury you.
Go just serious. They use slow motion. They talk nonsense.
Did she say anything bad?
If you don't shut your mouth, I will strangle you to death. Better go back to your husband's house. Stupid girl. I love you to my life, my mystery. I love you to my life, my mystery.
It's okay. It's okay.
Vicky, where's that thing you used to smoke? I need it now. I need to smoke it all.
Get you.
Male. Now the white one you want, I mean, I go.
Vicky.
I will chop slap now. Malian mother.
Mom.
Shut up!
Pop.
Talk to me now. What is going on?
Hey, out by the boy. I'm not a big boy. What is it? Am I your mate? I told you. Haban is not a big boy. I told you that all that Igwe said to me has turned out to be truth. Yes, Igwe gave me 10 million naira to go and start up a new life.
10 million naira?
Life. Yes. As you see me now, I they run away from this palace because the wife or the children might come and want to kill me or even take this check away from me.
10 million?
Yes, 10 million. Am I your mate? Okay, forget it. Are you mad? How can you, have you touched 10 million in your life? What's your problem? Want to contaminate my 10 million?
10 million?
Yes. I'm leaving this palace.
What of your post? Who will take over?
You now. You take over.
I'll be driving motor and you take over.
Of course. Level has changed. We're talking about 10 million here. Aban is now a big boy. Am I your mate? No, am I your mate? Come on, get out. I'm leaving. I'll see you when I'll see you. Eh?
Are you going with a uniform?
Which uniform? What is this? How much is it? I'll send it to my Uber. I'll bring it back to you. I'll put 5,000 for you. Eh? Hapan is a big boy. I'll see you, my friend. I'll see you, okay? Come. I tell you. Come and see. Come now. Come and see first. You know what I want to tell you? Eh? My friend, open gate for me.
Yep.
Open the gate for me. We are talking about 10 million. Poor man. Look at your Bella Hill figure. I'll see you, my friend. Aban is not a big boy.
Go. Ah, 10 million naira. This life no balance, so.
It's been 7 days since I made my confession. I know I have offended my wife and my daughters. I did it because of the community. I did it for you so that no other king will come and throw you out of this palace. Please forgive me. I am begging you, my wife. I'm begging you, my daughters. Accept Kate and her sons to this family. Please, let there be peace amongst you. My family, forgive me. I love you.
My queen, please, find a place in your heart to forgive me. I know I don't deserve it, but please find a place in your heart to forgive me. You are still my queen and my role model. Even with this royal attire, I know I still don't deserve it. Please forgive me.
Mother, please. You know I've never supported father in any ways. But we have no option than to accept our fate. Please.
Vicky, Ugo, please forgive me. Please accept my sons as your brothers. Please forgive me. I know I'm not worthy to be called your mother, but please, I beg you all, forgive me. I'm truly sorry, my queen. Please.
It's okay. It's okay.
Thank you.
I forgive you.
Thank you.
And I'm very certain my sister has forgiven you as well. Mother.
Thank you.
Please, I would love to appeal on her behalf. I want you to forgive her. It wasn't intentional.
Please.
And also forgive Father. It was for our own good. And I'm sorry for all my ill-treatment towards you, okay? Oh, it's okay.
My queen.
Shut up.
It's okay.
You can never change.
Our new mommy.
Your new mommy.
Your new mommy.
Come on,
Hey, Vicky, my sister.
Miss crying.
Mommy, it's okay. It's okay, mommy. It's okay.
Onye chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebuda ya, chidera n'odego, okwura n'okwugo. Onye chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebuda ya. To see what life gives, ijuwa odioni minesia. Can you imagine what my eyes see? Oya chichetara nke yakacha mma. Chidera n'odego, odera n'odego. Oya chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebuda ya. Chidera n'odego, odego. Okwura kone. Oya chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebuda ya. Man proposes, but God disposes. Unafugo na karaka diudi. Madu kuchasia, chukwe buaria. So iyo puru kaneme. Chidera n'odego, okwura n'okwugo. Onye chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebuda. Chidera n'odego, okwura n'okwugo. Onye chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebuda. Chidera n'odego, okwura n'okwugo. Ijuwa onye chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebuda ya. Chidera n'odego, okwura n'odego ya. Onye chigoziri onye gakocha, onye buliri onye gebuda ya.